With travel on the horizon again, I thought it would be fun to take a look at what to pack for a 3-day getaway. It's all coming up next at Style at a Certain Age. Hi ladies, it's Beth. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and a very warm welcome if this is your first time visiting. Hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell so you don't miss any videos coming your way. This channel is dedicated to aging with grace, strength, and beauty. So like, share, and comment so the YouTube algorithm is happy and more women just like you can discover the content. A big thank you to today's sponsor, Tula Skincare and Wellness brand. You asked and I'm delivering. Today I'm partnering with Tula, who is 100% cruelty-free, and their products are never tested on animals. Tula is a doctor-founded clean and wellness skincare brand where 100% of the products are created with probiotics and superfoods. And the best part is they are offering 15% off today. Go to tula.com and use code BETHD for 15% off your purchase. Today, I'm gonna take you through 3 of their skincare products that I absolutely love. Let's go. We all know how important it is to add sunscreen every day, but what I love about Tula is it's a little bit different. It's actually sunscreen that's skincare, and it has an SPF 30. It's very easy to apply, and just goes on very, very smooth. But don't forget to put it on your ears, your neck, your décolletage, and your hands. A primer is an important step in my skincare routine and my makeup routine. And I love the fact that primer from Tula is loaded with peptides, collagen, amino acids, vitamins, and hyaluronic acid. So it not only lets my makeup go on smooth, but it's smoothing out my skin tone and smoothing out my wrinkles. And the third product I wanted to share today from Tula is their wrinkle treatment drops, and this is in place of a retinol serum. So if you have sensitive skin like me, this is the perfect go-to. And I love the dropper. So you just put it on your hand like that, and then you rub it in. So smooth, and I love the fact that Tula is just filled with superfoods and probiotics. It's so good for my skin. Get excited! Or at least I'm gonna get excited because I'm actually going on 2 weekend getaways back to back. So one is a girls' weekend, I'm actually driving. There's gonna be loads of fun. But the following weekend, I'm going to New York. It is the first time I've been on a plane for a year and a half. Since we've had this fine virus disrupt our lives. But I thought today I would share some tips that I incorporate to make my life a little bit easier when I pack. And for the 3-day getaway, so I really am packing in this Longchamp bag. And I love this one because actually you can make it little or short like this, and you can just like pack your toiletries in there. I do that all the time. But when I do go on a weekend away, the bag simply unzips. It's genius. I mean, it just really is. So it's like 2 bags in one, and it's so easy. And I love Longchamp. It's nylon, practically indestructible, and it has a long strap, and then you can carry it with the hand too. So actually everything that I'm showing today really does fit into this bag. So you may have noticed I have a color scheme going on here. And that's so I pack very succinctly so everything will fit into that weekender bag, okay? So I happen to pick this color scheme, blacks and browns. A, it's uber chic. B, it just makes your mixing and matching just very, very easy when you do go with the color palette. So that's what I picked, but I do have one bright color. So shoes are also easy to navigate. You can pick 1, 2, 3. If you're a shoe junkie, put them all in. It's up to you on how you want to manipulate your weekender. But I probably am going to pick out 2 shoes to bring with me for the weekend. So also another tip that I always share is, so not only do I devise a color palette to make it easy to mix and match my items, but I also think very strategically about my events. And since it's a short weekend, I'm just there 3 days. I'll have a dinner Friday night, I have a brunch Saturday afternoon, and then we have another dinner Saturday night, and then brunch or breakfast the next day. So I really have 4 events that I'm going to be dressing for. So dinner the first night. I love skirts or a dress this time of year. So I picked out a really cool leopard skirt. So this is from Banana Republic. I've shared this with you many times recently. They are killing it out there. And this skirt is absolutely adorable. It's also lined. And don't forget, I have a little mini fashion show at the very end, so stick around for that. So I started out with the cheetah dress or the leopard dress, and then I brought in the black turtleneck. Again, this is from Banana Republic. You can wear it just like that, and then bring in your footwear. So these I just scored at Nordstrom. Oh, these are so cute. And we'll go with pants and jeans and skirts and dresses, and it looks really cool with a skirt. So it's a short booty, but it has some patent leather on the back and the heel, has a zipper, pointy toe, so it's a little bit dressy. So these boots with that outfit would be uber chic all by itself, but if you wanted an extra layer, okay, we can come in, and so I've shown this recently. So this is a shirt jacket that's very on trend right now. It's the faux leather shirt jacket, and you could just put it over the turtleneck and the skirt, leave it open, you can tie it, lots of options there. And that completes outfit number 1 for my first evening out to dinner. Outfit number 2 is for brunch the next day, so I'm going to be a little bit more casual. And you know I am a blue jean mama, so of course I had to bring in a pair of blue jeans because it's fall and I get to wear them again. So this is the latest silhouette. Again, it's from Banana Republic. I scored all of this. I recently had a friends and family sale, so I really made out like a bandit. Perhaps my checking account didn't make out like a bandit, but I sure did. But anyway, it's a really fun silhouette, high-waisted, and it really has a dark rinse. So that's my starting point. And then I have that black turtleneck that I wore the night before, okay? So I'm gonna pair the two together, just like that. Very easy. I could throw a belt on if I wanted to dress it up. I can, do a half tuck, lots of different options with that. And stay tuned to the end because I am going to have that fashion show, so you're going to have to guess what I'm going to do with this outfit. And as far as footwear, I have several options. I could wear the boots that I just showed you, and that could be a little bit dressier. Of course, you may not want to walk around in those boots. I mean, if we're doing walking, I'm probably not going to opt for that. But that is one option. A driving mock is another option, and this is very walkable. These are from Banana, pebbled leather, the typical driving sole. So very comfortable, and it really looks very cute and very chic, very casual with this outfit. But I did want to mention, since it is fall and we do need layers, so I showed how to how to layer the skirt and the turtleneck. Well, you can do the same thing with the turtleneck and the blue jeans. So you can bring in the blazer, which adds instant polish, like that. Really it would look amazing with the blazer, the turtleneck, the blue jeans, and the boots. I'm telling you. Or you could go with the full leather jacket again. So completely up to you on how you want to style that, or if you need the third layer. Okay, we've covered dinner, and then we covered brunch the next day. So now we're on to Saturday evening, and so out to dinner again. This time, instead of a skirt, I'm going to opt for pants. And I picked a pattern pant, and this is a plaid pant, brown. Has some cream in it, so I could go one of two ways. I could go with this beautiful, and it's just like the turtleneck, the black turtleneck. So I could go with the cream turtleneck like that. Looks absolutely gorgeous and gives a, just a lighter, brighter look to the outfit. But I could also go, because I love brown and black, and that's my color scheme, I could also, if I'm really limited with space in my suitcase, I could go with the black turtleneck. So really completely up to you. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to go with the cream turtleneck just because I don't want to wear the same sweater all weekend long. Okay, so I have that. And then again, you want to think about layers. And recently I had in a video for Style Secrets to add texture. So this is a perfect example. This is a suede jacket from Ralph Lauren. So that really adds the texture into this outfit and really just elevates it. So you're really looking very, I mean, I say chic all the time, but I mean, really, honestly, you're just looking uber chic in that. So all three of those work beautifully together. But again, footwear, we don't want to forget our footwear. So I also have these mules. So these are the Jenny Kane mules that I recently featured, okay? And I can wear these with that outfit. Very walkable. If I need to walk to dinner, it's going to be very, very comfortable. And mules are just so on trend this fall that it really is a beautiful, beautiful accessory. And also, you just have to remember it's going to tie back into the suede jacket and add that texture. And outfit number 4, we're bringing it all home. So this is Sunday morning, so this is either breakfast or brunch. So I want to look cute, I want to look casual because most likely I'm going to drive home in this outfit as well. So I'm going to wear my blue jeans again, so I'm going to get those out. The Dark Rinse Indigo from Banana Republic. And I'm going to bring a really cute, so pop of color. This is the only pop of color that I have this weekend. So this is an absolutely adorable graphic sweater from Talbot's and just love the colors. So I'm going to wear that to breakfast. So footwear. Well, I'm kind of thinking that white sneakers, because white sneakers go with everything. So I really think that white sneakers will really, really be the ticket. But if I wanted to, I could pick out the driving mocks. I most likely won't go with the suede mules, but I have those choices there. And there again, if I want to add an extra layer, I can certainly bring along the black blazer again and pop that over the top if it's a little bit chilly. Or I could do the faux leather jacket. Styling for the weekend is never easier. Are you ready for that mini fashion show? Hit it. You've heard me say it a million times. Style doesn't have to be complicated, and neither does your packing list. So I hope you found a little bit of inspiration. I hope it's a little bit easier for you to pack for a short getaway. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription box down below, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.